Hello, my dear friends. Sometimes taking break is the most productive thing which you can do. Yesterday, I missed my routine since due to the low battery of my mobile. Today, embracing a rejuvenated pause. The falls at Kannur, Kerala. Just a serene cascade offering refreshing escape and soothing cold water. Since now we are having vacation in my school, like now I am in my hometown, Kerala, Kannur. I went in the morning, early in the morning, along with my parents. An abode of blessings, actually, I have to say. It is a divine abode of Lord Muthappan, where his blessings feels like unconditionally, and his presence profoundly makes more motivating. The sunrise from the hilltop, the waterfall still, and the spiritual aura reminded me rest and faith restores our strength. Though I feel exhausted in a cold and body pain, I trust in the healing and the trust in God. So I would like to share some of my photos with my family members in this video. Hope you all will enjoy, and I would strongly recommend these two places which I have visited today. It's a very amazing place.
Hi, hello dear ones. We are at Kapimala, enjoy with our family. Very nice, beautiful view.
മേലേ വാനിലെ കിളികളായി ചേരാം മാരിവിൽ ചെരുവിലായി ഇനിയൊന്നാ
Waterfalls, which is in Kannur district in Kerala. And the second one is the famous Lord Muthappan Kshetram at Parassini Muthappan Temple at Kannur. Hope you all will enjoy this place and enjoy and feel the positive vibrations from there. Thank you. Stay kush, stay happy, spread positivity and happiness everywhere. Thank you.